Hello, I'm Pooja Soni. Now we are going to validate the form. For form validation, we are going to use a jQuery validation plugin. Let me show you the result of jQuery validation plugin. If we will log in without filling the fields, it will give us an error, the field is required. Same for our sign up form. And if we will type an incorrect email address, then an error will be shown that please enter a valid email address. For password, at least 5 characters were required. And for sign up form, username, at least 5 characters were required. Enter a valid email address. Password, 5 characters. And confirm password, please enter the same value again. After filling the correct details, it will validate our form. Now for jQuery validation plugin, go to the site jqueryvalidation.org and download the files from here. It contains this zip folder which contains all the demos and examples of the plugin. I had extracted this plugin in my web tutorial folder. Here is our folder which I had downloaded. Demo contains all the demos. Now what we have to do is, from dist folder, take the file jquery.validate.js and from lib folder, take the file jquery.js plus jquery1.11.1.js and copy this all file and paste it in our responsive forms JS folder. You can see I had pasted all these 3 files. Now come to our index file and add the script for our added JS files. So look here, I had added jquery.js and jquery.validate.js files. Look, it is necessary to add jquery-1.11.1.js file because in our jquery.js file, we had used the version 1.11.1. If we will not add, then our validation will not work. Now come to our index file and let's start validating our sign-in form and sign-up form. So go to our javascript.js file. Now we are going to validate our sign-in and sign-up form. Sign-in form is the ID of our sign-in form. .validate. We are using the validate function as I had used the plugin. Now apply validation rules for fields. Fields of sign-in form were email and password. I am using the name of the fields. We cannot remain the fields empty, so required is to true. And for email address validation, email is to true. Same for password, required is to true. And let's give it a min length to be 5. Now let's see whether our validation starts working or not. Refresh the page. Now our sign-in form displays the validation error, but it is in white color due to our style sheet. So let's give a error class color red. Now let's see whether the error is coming in red color or not. You can see the error starts coming in red color and it is also validating a correct email address. For password, please enter at least 5 characters. Now our sign-in form is validated. So let's validate our sign-up form. So I am copying and pasting our sign-in form's validate function for sign-up form. The fields of sign-up form were username, uname, new email, password 1 and password 2 from password. Sorry. For uname, required is to true and let's give it a min length. For new email, the data is similar to our email function, email rules. For password 1, fields were correct. And for password 2, it is our confirm password. So required is to true and it should be equal to our password 1. Now let's see our validation works or not. Sign up. You can see our validation starts working. For username, 5 characters are required. For email, valid email address is required. For password, at least 5 characters, and confirm password should match original password. Now I had validated my sign up form. As I had not given any action, it stays on the same page. Here I am accomplishing my part of series. I hope I had cleared your concept, and if you have any doubt regarding this tutorial, feel free to ask in the comment box below. And if you dislike something, please mention in the comment box below. I will surely try to improvise my faults. And yes, to continue learning, like, comment and subscribe.